There you go, if I put it down on an angle, check that out. It's just this, because the orbs, when the orbs are around, and they blend in, so you end up with 9 shadows. 9 shadows. Check that shit. Oops. Like, it's not just me, it'll be like other things as well. Like, here's a peg. Alright. Oops. There's a peg. And you ruined the surprise. 9. The peg has 9 shadows. It's full on it. And it also explains when I was getting the gaps in the dark. I don't know if you can know what's coming in the camera or not, but this is probably my arm. I'm not sure if the camera can see, but look, man. This direct actually, I've done that before. Is it coming out? I don't know. Look at this shadow, can you see that? I'm not sure it's coming out the same as what I can see, but like this bit. That looks weak, look. That's bad. See? My hand. 9 shadows deep. I am rolling 9 shadows deep. And it's only limited by the number of LEDs. I'm not sure if this is coming out or here. Even in my car right now, I never used to, when my headlights hit something, illuminated something, they still used to give the one shadow. Much like me, I used to have just one shadow, not one for each LED it was near me. Can you see there's 2 shadows back there of the letterbox on the thing? Anyhow, none of it's coming out. Makes sense, but yeah. Well, what happened? Pop yeah, we'll pop inside. Right, I was a better view from back here.
I thought George was sitting beside it, didn't it?
No, it's my care package.
Yeah, as you go forward, it disappears because it only swung.
Well, no, it's still there. It just gets harder. Yeah, it's. Snip. Hey, it's the other snow. Sneak up here, comes. Bumps on. He had a few minutes, not out. Not slip up, wait. Slip up. Out.